In big branches, there is no problem because we have sufficient staff who would be taking into account the various requirements of the customers, and that is being addressed to. But then now what is happening is, in some branches where we have very few customers who are dealing with the foreign exchange operations as such, then having a dedicated personnel to take up this operations not available, or the person may be under transfer, the customers may be facing some difficulty regarding this. So to bring about smoothness in the operations, bank has started with the Trade Finance Central Processing Center as a business process re-engineering initiative. This has been started as a pilot scheme in 2008, and initially it has started with about 6 branches, but over a period of time, as the smoothness has increased, now we have about 22 branches of the twin cities who are tagged to the center. In this center, basically what we are doing is, we are dealing with the non-fund based business of our customers basically. That is both your bank guarantees and letter of credits and the corresponding transactions regarding these things. Regarding our inland transactions as well as foreign exchange transactions and also bank guarantees are being taken care of in the center. Here I am heading the center, and along with me we have senior officials, and there is a chief manager who is dealing basically with the inland section, and he has sufficient support team for that. And we are now at Surya Towers, 2nd floor. From there we are operating. And there is another chief manager with his team who is looking into the foreign exchange operations requirements of our customers. Basically, this is the brief setup. I just wanted to just run through that. This was started because actually one advantage that we have, actually under one single roof, all the non-fund based business of the customers are being attended to. Then quick disposal and efficient disposal of the customers is being done. That is one more reason, and the time that is being consumed is less. For that reason it has started. Now the small brief guideline about it, I just wanted to share it with you, because what is happening is, from the branches wherever the customers are there, we will be receiving the applications through courier. Every day we have it thrice in a day, and the courier services people, actually they come, they deliver the documents, and these documents will be scrutinized and processed at the center.